The bag of Ethical Bean coffee that you've just scanned as our decaf, and in there at the moment is 100% Peru, mountain water, decaffeinated, and it's a little bit different for us. We've so often in the past had decaf Sumatra, and in light of the problems that everyone is having, Sumatra is having, we're having getting Sumatran coffee, it's a kind of a disaster that way, but obviously impacts our ability to get decaffeinated Sumatran coffee. But this guy is kind of a nice change, I would say. It's exceptionally clean, and I'm absolutely in love with the mountain water decaf process. I think it just brings a real sweetness to the impression of the coffee. Great clarity. I think this coffee is a great example of that. Very sweet cup, good movement on your palate, a little bit of acidity, but just lots of dimension. Body is medium body. It's not a fat cup by any means. It's just very much in the vein of a clean, classic washed coffee cup, and with an exceptionally clean finish to it. But the sweet is really quite notable in this coffee, in the way that it finishes, very clean. And yeah, I just highly recommend it. If you drink decaf all the time, I think you'll be quite pleased with how this plays out. If you haven't tried decaf in a little while, give this a try. It really stands up exceptionally well, and I think you could serve it unapologetically as regular coffee, morning, noon, and night. Enjoy.